Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie and I'm back at Aldi. It's another Monday and I have a week of groceries to get. Spring break is in the past and I'm excited to have a normal week. All the kids in school, my husband at work, me working at home, and we are back to a full week menu. So let's get in, get the goods, and I'll share with you my menu at the end. My girls want wheat thins and pepper jack cheese this week, so I'm getting some of these, $2.45. They're out of the dried strawberries here, so I hope they have them in the other spot. I'm not gonna get these, but I'm tempted. The cream cheese sounds so good. They'd be $2.99. I really like these bite-sized round, $1.99 for my son's lunch and for burrito bowls this week. Okay, so my daughter wants pita and hummus, $2.89 for her lunches this week. White bread, $1.29. BLTs and grilled cheese. I'm gonna get asparagus because it looks so good. It wasn't even on my list, but $1.95, yummy. I roast it. My son really loves strawberries in his lunch. I'll get 2 pounds at $2.69 a piece. Burrito bowls, I need cilantro and green onions, 85 cents a piece. I'm gonna check my green onions because last week the ones I got were slimy. These look pretty good. We really have been loving salads, so I'm gonna get more lettuce, romaine hearts. Gotta find a better pack, but $3.19. I'm gonna get cucumbers for my daughter's lunch. My kids love these, $1.89. And carrots for 2 pounds at 99 cents. I'm probably gonna get 2 bags because we use carrots a lot in soup, just to munch on. Great value. One night this week we have very little time, so I'm actually gonna get $2.95 for mac and cheese. My kids love this. And then I'm also going to get the pork burnt ends, and this is $5.49. I'll have mashed potatoes that I can make earlier in the day and steamed Brussels sprouts, but a very quick weeknight dinner when we have very little time. So today is the day after Easter, and I keep seeing so many items that have like these $1 off or $2 off stickers. After a holiday, when they're closed for a day, they lose a day to sell things. I see so many more red stickers. That's a little tip for you, or at least at my store. We are making cake pops for my daughter's school dance. Both of them are in middle school, so I need a lot of egg whites to make white cake. And for my dog, so I'm getting 3 dozen eggs at $2.05 a piece. I'm gonna check them all. I'm getting 3 cans of the sliced potatoes here. I just gotta dig them out for breakfast potatoes when we have pancakes this week. We got a new Blackstone grill, and we're gonna try breakfast out on there. 95 cents a piece. I'm getting 6 cans of black beans, some for my vegetarian, some for my dog, 81 cents a piece. I know I mentioned this before, but my kids go in kicks of these slices. My vegetarian ate 2 cans by herself, 1 each night as a snack, and she was sad we didn't have more. So I'm actually gonna get 4 of these in the pineapple juice, $1.25 a piece. I'm going to get mini avocados for our burrito bowls, $2.29. I'm getting 2 cans of garbanzo beans, the chickpea soup. Use these chickpeas instead of chicken, 81 cents a piece. I'm gonna get a plump Roma tomato for 1 for BLTs and then 1 for burrito bowls. Actually, I'm gonna get 1 for BLTs and then I'll get grape tomatoes for burrito bowls, $2.69. If you watch my videos, you'll know who needed me to get more peanut butter. My husband. I like the Costco all natural peanut butter. He loves this stuff, and he has a peanut butter shake most nights. $3.95. My 7-year-old son requested the chocolate puffs, $1.95. His favorite apple juice for lunch boxes, $2.79. Some new items, they have their mulch, $5.99, and potting soil is $4.99. They have hammock chairs. These are $19.99, really cute. A mop, that's $9.99. A really pretty rug. Ooh, that is very pretty. $40. And then they have their reversible porch signs. Very spring-like, really cute ones. These shorts look really cute. I kind of wish they had different colors, but they're only $9.99. They just look adorable. I actually like the blue. I wish they had a black. Different bra packs, underwear, men's boxers. These are super cute. My son, I bought him one that was way too large and he still can fit in it. The rain jackets, really a great jacket. They have really cute ones and matching umbrellas. Ooh, I was looking for these. Even though I really like these, I'm gonna leave them. But they're tempting. And so are the cute children's umbrellas. Okay, so some of this is marked down. Like these aren't marked down, which surprised me, but if you come over to like the egg, the very, very Eastery items, they're marked down to $2.99. Activity sets, these are actually super cute. But things like this are not marked down. But that's marked down? What? Okay, that's so cute. I have no one in my life to give that to, but it's so adorable. They have a lot more Aldi here. They have a lot of gardening items, which is as far from my wheelhouse as possible. The Easter garland is on clearance, super cute. It's only $1.19, lots of them left. Now this seems like a really decent deal, $2.49 for the tray. I could paint that and it'd look great. Oh, this weed puller looks nice. It reminds me, we have one called Grandpa's Weeder that works really well. $14.99. A rolling laundry hamper, that looks nice. Okay, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but this cereal, my husband loves it so much, the peanut butter bunnies, and it's on sale for 69 cents, and it's good through January of next year. I'm honestly getting 10. Is that overkill? Maybe, but he loves it, and I don't know that I have room to store 10. Okay, I'll get 5. Here I am negotiating with myself, but it's such a good deal, 69 cents, and he'll eat it. I'm tempted to get one of these. They're on clearance, but we have a lot of candy after Easter yesterday. They have all the giant surprise eggs for $1.59, 99 cents for the figurines. I just know we don't really need more candy, so I'm gonna skip it all. But it's here. If you're looking for Aldi clearance candy, it is here. Oh, well, I lied. I'm gonna get these for my hubby because $1.99 is a great deal for those too. Okay, even more. I'm gonna buy probably 10 boxes of this, 39 cents a piece for Annie's mac and cheese. On hand, easy thing. And who cares if they look like bunnies? They also have the macaroni springtime on clearance. Now I'm surprised because this is not marked on clearance. I don't know if that's intentional or if it should be on clearance, but I'm not gonna get it if it's not. These are on clearance for 69 cents. And I will grab one of those too. I've had these in years past, but I like them for 69 cents, a lot more than $2.99. Well, my daughter's making soup, and I think she wants rotini, but she also loves farfalle, so I'm gonna get one of each and let her pick, 98 cents a piece. Okay, so we are making lots of cake pops, and I'm making a triple batch, so I need 3 boxes of white cake at 99 cents a piece. And then I mix them with a tub of vanilla at $1.19 a piece. I actually have some of this on hand, so I don't need to buy it, but that's generally what I get. But I'm gonna get 4 cakes, just in case. I need a powdered sugar, $2.15. We ran out. I'm very disappointed. The meat really has no red stickers. A lot of times after holidays, it's a great time to get red sticker meat. I do see 150% off ground beef. And I will probably buy that because it's a good deal. So I will get that for 50% off. $18.71, not anymore. But that was it. There's no chicken sale, nothing. And I'm looking for steak for this weekend. That's beef stew. Probably gonna get this steak and I can chop it up for when we do stir fry. $6.99 a pound. Yay, it worked. The end cap had it still $3.29 for freeze-dried strawberries for Elsie's lunch. Okay, these are for my older daughter's lunches, $5.29. Okay, I'm actually changing my methods here. I'm gonna get these atomic spices. There's so many more pickles, so she could get more in her lunch, and they're cheaper. So I'm gonna put those pickles back. We'll see what she thinks. Well, the holiday ham stands alone. There's literally one. I don't know if they had a good sale on them. They are $1.49 a pound, but Easter must have cleared it out. Run fast to Kalamazoo if you want a ham. This looks pretty similar to what we've been seeing. Different Asian beefs, the meatballs, some calamari, bistro soups, beef lo mein, cream cheese wontons. Oh, that looks really yummy to me. Unfortunately, I'm the only one that would eat those. There's duck and, I don't know, what is that? Is it lamb in there? Yep, lamb. Leg of lamb. Bone-in turkey. There's garlic cheese flatbreads, different pizzas here. Lots of yummy looking. Like this one looks good to me. Spinach and goat cheese. Yum. $4.29 only. Arby's fries, crab cake, salmon. I've seen all that, I think. Air fryer, crispy tenders. Different pasta meals, loaded potato pierogies. The ABC Dino Nuggets are here. Those are $7. Nope, I don't know how much they are. The price isn't here. Philly cheesesteak, pepperoni pizza, mac and cheese bowl. We still have our pizza or pie from last week. I haven't made it, but there's no more strawberry rhubarb, so I'm glad I got it. There's the rolls. Hummus for Elsie's lunch, $2.49. Mexican shredded, $2.89. I'm gonna get Gouda for the BLTs tonight, $1.79. All this Easter cheese is on sale. Aged English cheddar, yum. Lemon with honey, Wesendale, and raspberry white chocolate. I think I want to try lemon honey. For BLTs, grilled cheese, and salads tonight, I'm getting tots, $3.39. Green beans for my dog's dinner, 96 cents a piece. I'm getting Asian medley for our stir fry this week. I'm actually gonna get this, and I'm gonna get a bag of broccoli, and I'll do them both together. $2.35 and $1.09. Lots of beautiful flowers here. Very pretty. My aunt actually had this at her house for Easter yesterday. Some tulips from Aldi. Very beautiful. I don't have a price though. Oh my lord, they're only... Wow, they're only $1.19. That's actually amazing. If I had any wherewithal on what I'd do with this, I would probably buy them. But I don't. I've been wanting to have a bottle of this on hand just in case I want it. And by the way, if I buy it, I do generally want it. $3.99. Okay, so my cousin made little Easter baskets for my kids, and she put these in my older daughter's. They're so delicious. Love them. I would love to make chickpea crisps. $2.19. Very good. Okay, clearance took me a little crazy. Here's everything I got. Any guess on my total? Okay, the total is $132.96. I need to get white bark for my cake pops, but I feel pretty good about the rest of the week. Okay, our meal plan for this week. Tonight, I have leftover bacon from yesterday's Easter breakfast, so we're gonna have BLTs, or my kids could have grilled cheese, tater tots. We actually have a couple appointments after school, so we need a quick dinner. I'm gonna have salads for the whole week, so that we'll have salads with that too. Tuesday, my daughter, who's a vegetarian, wants to make chickpea noodle soup. It looks and tastes a lot like chicken noodle soup, but it's vegetarian and you use chickpeas instead of chicken. And she's gonna make that, and I'm gonna make a homemade crusty bread. Wednesday is another night that we have after school appointments, and I need a quick dinner. We're using the Aldi burnt ends, the mac and cheese. I'm gonna make mashed potatoes and then the steamed Brussels sprouts. Thursday, we're gonna have burrito bowls. I pretty much have everything on hand for this except for the tortilla chips. So we use rice, cauliflower rice. I use taco meat or shredded chicken. I have both in the freezer. Salsa, I got the guacamole for that. We basically top it with all of our favorite toppings, shredded cheese. Everyone can make it how they want, whether black beans or meat. It's a really nice build your own bowl. Friday, we're gonna get pizza, carry out, and then have salads with it. That's a Friday tradition. Saturday, we will have pancakes. I'm gonna make breakfast potatoes and a blueberry sauce. And then Sunday, I'm gonna make steak, stir-fried vegetables, and momofuku noodles. Momofuku noodles are something that I've ordered right from their website. They're really great for quick dinners. If you want to see a video of someone else making momofuku noodles, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.